How to log into Walmart MasterCard online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your Walmart MasterCard online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your web browser on your mobile device or your computer. Then simply go ahead and type in walmart.syf.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. You will come across the login portal where you have to enter the user ID in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. After you do that, simply check this box of remember user ID if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login. But in the case if you are using a public or a shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, simply go ahead and click on this link of user ID and the password in order to successfully retry or reset your credentials. And if you haven't registered yet, simply go ahead and click on register option in order to successfully register for a new account. After you have entered all of your credentials correctly, including your user ID and the password, simply go ahead and click on secure login highlighted in yellow color in order to successfully log into Walmart MasterCard online account. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.